Hello tutor and partners. Today I want to share my speaking task. My name is Leonardo Parrado Vivas. I am 38 years old. I live in Bogota City. I am a student of social communication. I have 12 years of experience working in radio. In that time, I was able to travel to some places in South America, such as Ecuador and Argentina, where I learned a lot about my work and also meet many people from different countries. Actually, I'm working as a literatura teacher in elementary school. I like to dance salsa, listen music, and play congas. I love eat different food and sleep it a lot of. Now, I share to you the description of the photo that it shows. This place is the Candelaria. This is located in the center of Bogota City. It is the oldest place in the city. For this reason, it is called the Historical Center. The Candelaria has a colonial architecture. In this place, we can find restaurants, cafes, bars, and cultural sites such as theaters, cinemas, and museums. Here we also found an economical project created by my childhood friend Felipe Acosta, who designed a replica of the Bogota Tranvía. At this moment, it works as a tourist plan to spread our historical and cultural tradition. Many foreigners live in the Candelaria because it is a place with great cultural richness. I invite you to visit this wonderful place soon. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.